We're at Gate City Casino. This is one of the local casinos I go to a lot. If you're here from the slot channels, what's up? But this is my food channel. Anyway, we got food. So I want to go through the menu and let you know how the food is here. Alright, so here's the menu. We got some starters, quesadilla, Maz sticks, some wings, nachos, spinach and artichoke dip, a couple burgers, got some sandwiches. It's like, I think Katrina got the Lucky North chicken sandwich. It's a good price.
I know.
All day breakfast. That's pretty good. Dang, I didn't even see that.
You have an all day breakfast?
Yeah, fried egg, cheese on an English muffin with your choice of bacon or sausage served with home fries.
What?
Flatbreads, pepperoni, soups and salads, and then pick a bowl. So you just kind of like grilled or fried chicken, steak tips or salmon, and some sauces. I'm surprised you didn't get the bowl.
Yeah, it seems like there's a lot there. I was sick the other night.
Yeah, get some entrees, steak tip dinner, baked salmon, chicken tenders, 50 plus Wednesdays. It's not bad. And happy hour. Late night bites after midnight. I would never be here after midnight. But some people would, some people would.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyway, that's the menu. So here are the quesadillas. Looks pretty good.
Smells good. Might be mine that I'm smelling.
Yeah, it's good. Tastes like a typical bar quesadilla.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that.
No, they're good. I'm trying to get this out.
It looks better than Friendly's. Right?
I got a quesadilla there too.
Yep.
Weird. Cheesy, warm. Taste green pepper, onion, chicken. Yeah, good. A little spicy.
But you like spicy.
Yeah, I like spicy.
Good stuff.
Yeah, overall, 8 out of 10. Really good. See what you got going on, huh?
So I got the grilled chicken Lucky North grilled chicken sandwich. And vegetables on the side.
Lift up the bun.
Oh, there's bacon.
Yeah, it looks good.
Alright, so here we go.
That's Katrina's slogan.
Alright, so I know I say it at work, I'm picking it up.
How are you?
I really got
She's eating upside down.
I really got much.
Looks good.
Not bad.
Is there mayo on it?
Yeah, but there's supposed to be cheese. I don't see cheese. Whatever.
Probably better without cheese. How are the veggies?
Not bad.
What would you? How is the bacon?
I'll say they're probably 7 out of 10.
The whole thing or the bacon?
The whole thing. Well, they look like they're lightly seasoned. There's a flavor there.
A little strange.
A little bit.
Is it like fake butter or something?
Oh, no.
Oh, here.
Alright.
I'm going to try a bite of Katrina's. That's super bomb.
I don't know if he's good. You want to try a veggie though? Nothing's the same for me lately, okay?
That's wicked good. Holy crap. It's like, it's delicious. That's wicked good. Try this.
Hold on.
Take another bite.
Whoa, that's spicy. Whoa. Is it like jalapeno?
Yeah. You like it? What's better?
That has a slight edge.
No, eat the middle of that again.
Hold on. Oh, it's good.
That's better than a 7.
Really good.
Is it better now?
Yeah, the middle is better. The edges were a little crispy. But that's that. All right, so here's our bill. As you can see, between the chicken sandwich and the chicken quesadilla, it came up to $33.61.
How much food are you left?
And Dan's still got a lot of food left. I still have like all my veggies, but that's not bad.
Food and veggies to be healthy doesn't eat them.
Well, that's all. I definitely would recommend coming here if you're here to gamble. Check it out, right?
Good.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.